This is lesson 30 for Saxon 4, subtracting three-digit numbers with regrouping. So when you subtract three-digit numbers with regrouping, you have to really pay attention to what columns everything is in. So let's take a look at 410, take away 112. Now remember, we have our ones column, tens column, and hundreds column. Okay, now I'm going to do the solving of this in red so that you can see all the different bits, because I'm also going to do it in expanded form over here. So expanded form is 400 plus 10 plus 0. Okay, subtracting 100 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, this number in expanded form. That's all it is I've just written the numbers in expanded form instead of normal form. Okay, so we're going to go through, we're going to do our subtraction, and I'm going to show you expanded wise what's actually happening over here, and I'm going to show you what you'll be writing over here. Okay, so 0 take away 2. I can't do 0 take away 2. If I have no fingers, I cannot take 2 fingers from it. So I'm going to borrow or regroup. I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to take it over into my ones column. Okay, I now have 0 tens here. So doing this over here, I am taking this 10 and I'm going to put it in the ones column. Okay, so I now have 10 take away 2, 10 take away 2. Now you might also write this like this over here. It's up to you which way you'd like to write it. So 10 take away 2, 10 take away 2 is 8. And now we move on to our tens column. Well, now I have a problem again. I have 0 take away 10, which means I need to regroup from my hundreds. Okay, so this 100 becomes a 3, and we're bringing 100 over to make this like this. Okay, now what's happening over here is this 400 is turning to 300, and we're bringing 100 over here into the tens column. Now, over here, it's been written like this. It just looks like 10 to make your subtraction easier. But it's actually 100 that's been brought into the tens column. Okay, so looking at it from here, 10 take away 1 is 9. 100 take away 10 is 90. Okay, same things. They've just been written differently. This is expanded form. This is what actually is happening. This is what we normally use. Okay, but it's the same thing. Now we have 300 take away 100. Well, 300 take away 100 is 200, or in this case over here, 2. So you end up having both say 298. Okay, and I've done my regrouping up top. I just wanted to show you this is what's actually happening up there. This is how we write it. Okay, if during at any point in time when you're solving problems you need to write it like this to keep things straight, write it like this. That's absolutely fine. Okay, if you need to write it like this, do so. But this is the traditional method that you normally see. Let's do one more together. Okay, we're going to look at 365 subtract 187. So again, actually I'll move this over a little bit. 365, 187. And I'm going to do the expanded form over here. 300 plus 60 plus 5, 100 plus 80 plus 7. Okay, both of those are my subtractions. I'm going to do them on both just like I did last time. So we'll start with 5 take away 7. If I have 5 fingers and I try and take 5 away, I can't do it. There aren't enough fingers. So I am going to regroup and I'm going to take 10 from here, which makes this 50. I'm going to bring it over here. Okay, I've done the same thing. It just looks slightly different because this is expanded form. This is now 15, because remember I brought a 10 over. So this is 15 take away 7, because 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 take away 7, I like to do it like this and have 10 and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I know 15 is 5 more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 left over. Okay, 15 take away 7 is 8. I now have 50 take away 80. Well, I can't do that, okay, because over here it's 5 take away 8. I can't do it. If I have 5 fingers, I cannot take 8 away from them, so I need to regroup again. This turns into 200, and I'm bringing 100 over here. I now have 150 or 15. Okay, and again, I'm going to do my subtraction. Okay, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 7. So that leaves me with 70 or 7 into my hundreds column. 200 take away 100 or 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, and either way, I am left with 178. Okay, biggest thing you need to remember is if this number is smaller than this number, you cannot do your subtraction. You must regroup. Okay, always watch for that. If this number is smaller than this one, you cannot do subtraction. You must regroup. Okay, but that is the expanded form and what you'll probably be writing in your books of subtraction with 3-digit numbers using regrouping, lesson 30, Saxon 4.